Good morning from Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're going to be looking at a Harris 250 Cruiser 2019 model in the sterling gray with platinum silver. It's a full tri-tune, 25-inch diameter tune. Quick walk around here. Pop-up cleats, quick release Fender System. Also on this boat we ordered the 12-foot bimini option. This particular boat here, you see we ordered the stainless steel ski tow system, the 225 4-stroke, stainless steel prop, and the wide grip stainless steel boarding ladder, 4 steps. Looking inside the boat, you see we have the gray woven teak. So it does have the lighting system, including in the stainless steel cup holders. Dual helm seats. This boat does have the digital depth finder and upgraded stereo package as well. In-floor storage. Once again, this is a Harris 250 Cruiser with a 225 Mercury 4-stroke. If you have questions about this boat, come visit us at MarineMax Gulf Shores or give us a call at 251-981-1113.